guys. This is your girl Barbara, and we are at downtown Disney. And I want to show you this alligator. There's a lot of sun, so I hope you can see him. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh no. Come on. Yeah, we wanted to do it. Oh God. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. I'm glad you waited. Yeah, how cool is that? It is so exciting to be here. And as I said, I love the fact that, I have the ability to bring my family and friends to experience, this. We are at downtown Disney. And I am so excited to be here. And if you're looking for time freedom, click the link below and see what I do so that I can have time to spend with my family and not have to worry about going back to work, as some of my family members had to do. They had to leave early because they had jobs. But I'm here for the duration, so I'll be showing you some more scenes and videos of what we're doing here in Disney.